Biryani, of course, is on the top charts in the Varsi Goretti household. And my husband cooks it really well. That's what he says. वो कुछ पकाएगा, फिर घर का पूरा स्टाफ बोलेगा वाह वाह क्या बनाया. अब वो सब जितना भी वाह वाह करे, अपने किचन की असली क्वीन हूँ मैं. Today, let's do the good old biryani with a twist. Let's make a chicken biryani bake. This is cooking oil. The reason we are putting इतना सारा oil क्योंकि हम onions को fry करने वाले हैं. So while our onions are getting browned here, I'm going to start with the biryani. In a nice pan, we're gonna heat some oil. Okay, our onions are done on this parchment paper here. I'm just going to be laying this onion out. So there are a few flavorings that we're going to be adding to our biryani. We're going to start off with zeera, some chili, garlic, and a little ginger. So now we're going to put the chicken in. We're going to put this on a high flame. So we're going to nicely brown this. I'm now going to add our tomato paste. So now we're going to cook this tomato paste and the chicken till you see the oil separating out of it. So now we're going to just be adding the onion into the mixie. And to this we're going to be adding our yogurt. So this is the smooth consistency that we're looking for. I'm going to be adding our onion paste. So we have Kashmiri mirchi powder. This is coriander powder, a little more. This is bhuna hua zeera powder, which I'm sure is in every kitchen. This is garam masala. And last but not the least, haldi. Okay, I'm going to be adding a little water to this. Now, salt to taste. I'm going to put palak. Here goes. Happy, healthy, fresh. Give this a nice good stir. Now that this is ready, let's layer our biryani. Okay, we're gonna start with some ghee. And the first herb we put at the bottom is coriander or dhania. From here, we're gonna add our parboiled rice, one layer of it. Over our rice goes our chicken on this bed of rice, like the Axl Rose song. I'm going to be adding a little black olive, also because these olives that we have are really yummy and they're actually from Turkey. This, what I have here, is deep fried almonds. And now for our second layer of rice. And now for our last layer of chicken, olives. And now for our last layer of rice. We're gonna add our pudina for our barista or our fried onions. And last but not the least, a few threads of saffron. And now we're just gonna add our desi ghee all along the edges. Now this is done. All I need to do is cover it with a parda or with a nice naan dough, which actually seals it in and acts like an oven. So here we have this ready, and put this nicely over. Now that this is totally ready, I'm going to be baking this in a preheated oven, 200 to 220. I've kept mine at 200 for 20 to 25 minutes. So, as you see, the crust has cracked, which means it's the perfect sign that our biryani is beautifully cooked. This smells awesome, so I'm sure you're dying to know how exactly I made it. So please go take a look at the recap.
Baked chicken biryani. For fried onions, heat 250 ml vegetable oil in a pan and deep fry 1 to 2 sliced onion until it turns into golden brown. Once cooled, in a mixer container, add fried onions, 100 gram dahi and grind them into a thick paste. For chicken masala, heat 2 to 3 tablespoon vegetable oil in a pan, add 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 to 2 chopped chilies, 5 to 6 chopped garlic pods, 1 inch chopped ginger, 500 gram boneless chicken pieces, 2 tablespoon tomato paste and 2 tablespoon fried onion paste. Stir and cook it on a low flame. Now add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon haldi, water as required, salt to taste, 250 gram shredded spinach leaves and mix it well. Your chicken masala is ready. Now smear 2 tablespoon desi ghee in a baking container. Add 8 to 10 chopped coriander leaves, 500 gram parboiled rice, chicken masala, 4 to 5 sliced black and green olives, and repeat the same procedure to form 3 layers. Top it with 8 to 10 chopped mint leaves, fried onions, 5 to 6 saffron strands, 2 tablespoon desi ghee and tightly cover it with a flat bread dough. Now in a preheated oven at 200 to 225 degrees Celsius, bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Your baked chicken biryani is ready.